Hi, welcome to the new episode of MJ Physio's Physio Online. In the previous videos, we covered about the causes of sciatica and how to identify it. If you haven't watched it, the link has been given in the description box. And in this video, we will talk about the major risk factor of sciatica. The risk of sciatica increases with age. Sciatica causes pain, tingling, weakness, loss of reflexes in the lower back, buttocks, legs, and feet. Sometimes sciatica is caused by degenerative conditions like arthritis and lifestyle factors. So the first and the foremost risk factor is age. One of the main risk factors for sciatica is getting older. With age, many issues can contribute to spine degeneration. So the age-related changes can bring on sciatica due to changes in your intervertebral disc, bone spurs, and spinal stenosis. So the degeneration of the intervertebral disc usually starts around the age of 30. Spinal stenosis usually first crops up in the people older than 50. Whereas arthritic changes in the spine such as bone spurs can develop after years of arthritis. Additionally, the discs themselves have begun to descend to vulnerability. The older you get, the more resilience you have likely lost in your spinal disc. Because of work, social, and other sports activities, people between the ages of 30 and 50 have a higher likelihood of spine injury and other types of spine damage which can lead to sciatica. So the next one is sedentary lifestyle. While injuries from activities can damage your spine, sitting as a regular habit ups your sciatica risk too. You may find yourself sitting for a prolonged period of time while working at a computer, driving a lot, or maybe behaving as a couch potato. Sitting for a prolonged time can compress your spine and disc, which depending on your spine condition may irritate a spinal nerve root. Another reason is that sitting may put pressure on the sciatic nerve directly, as in case of piriformis syndrome. In some unavoidable conditions like pregnant women and diabetic can also be a great risk factor. Obesity can increase the risk of sciatic due to physical pressure on the nerve. People with diabetes are more prone to nerve damage, including damage to the sciatic nerve. And due to the hormonal changes and changes in the position of the baby, the risk of sciatica is greatly increased during pregnancy as well. There are major risk factors of sciatic pain, although the age factor and pregnancy are one of the major causes which are unavoidable. Make sure to keep yourself active and do regular stretches. And if you need any kind of special guidance, kindly contact MJ Physio and put your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video and don't forget to like and share with your friends and family.